Hello student drivers, this is a quick video tutorial that should give you some clarification and direction regarding arriving to school in the morning and departure in the afternoon, again if you are a student driver. We've put this together because we believe this is the safest way for you to enter our school campus, depending upon whether you are parked at Spectrum High School or over at Spectrum Middle School. With that being said, please take a look at the screen and recognize there are two sets of arrows. There are black arrows and there are red arrows. The black arrows indicate directions for students that are parking at the high school. We are asking those students to enter the campus at the north entrance off of Twin Lakes Road, take Industrial Circle around, and make a right-hand turn into the parking lot, where you would come around and most likely park down in the south parking lot down in this area that is not pictured on our diagram. When you leave in the afternoon, we are asking our student drivers to also take a right onto Industrial Circle Northwest and exit our campus or exit Industrial Circle at the south entrance or exit. What this does is it keeps the flow of traffic moving and it prevents you from needing to take a left-hand turn across traffic as you are navigating your way within Industrial Circle and on the school's campus. The same goes for our middle school parkers. So if you're parking over at the middle school lot, which would be in this area here, we are asking almost the opposite of you as far as arriving and departing. So we would ask that you would arrive and come in the south entrance to Industrial Circle Northwest, take a right into the alley between the 6th grade building and the middle school, the Spectrum Middle School. Come down the alley, take a left into the parking lot and park in here. When you leave in the afternoon, we ask that you take a right out of the parking lot and head out this direction. Again, the goal being to keep traffic flow moving and prevent you from needing to take a left-hand turn across traffic. We ask that you please do your best to adhere to these procedures, and we thank you for your cooperation.